So over here in Claude, if I were to go ahead and paste this out right here, you can see that I have a paragraph. And let's say I want to format it out. But if you were to give it to Claude, it can only bold it or maybe underline it out. But if you want to format it out with colors and so forth, I can simply go ahead and say format this paragraph. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this paragraph inside double quotation right here to let Claude know that I want to format it. So I can say format this paragraph of text using HTML. So I want to go ahead and then format it out well. So I'm simply going to say format this paragraph of text using HTML. Make sure technical words are blue and bold. And let's say, for example, important words are green and bold. And make sure to give title to this paragraph as well. So if I were to go ahead and give this, so I'm formatting out the text right here using HTML. So if I were to go ahead and hit send, what happens is that it'll go ahead and then read out the design skills right here, and we'll start formatting out this particular paragraph as per what I said. So here you can see that it is actually writing out the HTML code right here by keeping whatever I am saying in mind right here. And as it does that, it'll go ahead and give me a simple piece where I can go ahead and copy off the formatting off, which is much more effective than just giving out, let's say for example, a plain text and saying to format it out. So you can see that it is generating out the code right here just like this. So this is the file right here. It has formatted. And then as you open it, you can see that there's the title right here, and you got the underline as you can see right here. So you can see that I got bold to create emphasis. I got the blue underline text right here and so forth. So you can see the technical word blue and bold, an important word green and bold. So this is what you have. And that is basically how you can go ahead and then format out your text using HTML codes using Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.